This show is about making America great again, and what is it about us that support Donald? Standing next to me is Michael Pegas.
I'm American. I was born and raised here, but I do have immigrant and Caribbean people in my family background. My father's Portuguese and my mother's heritage is Liberian.
What is it about Donald that you love, Mr. Donald Trump?
I've been an artist all my life, and I've been getting through the channels of what I need to do. So I really basically don't have anything to do with politics or anything like that. But anytime someone's saying that they're going to make America change and to do something that's going to make this country a little bit better, you know, I do kind of agree with that in a way. But the man is talking good, a good talk. The Democrats have been in office since they've been in there now. They haven't done anything. A lot of black men got shot on the street. Nothing ever happened about that. A lot of people don't have any jobs out here. Nothing ever done about that. A lot of police corrupt is going on. They just indicted like 3 or 4 top captains of the police taking bribes and all kinds of stuff. This is happening underneath the Democrats and everything else. And a whole lot of other stuff is going on underneath them. So we do need a change in this country. And I really would say we need to try out this man just like we try out anybody else.
That's right. It's voting for Donald Trump, making America great again. As a business owner, as an entrepreneur, we're always looking for that mentor to help us. Wouldn't you want Mr. Trump to be your mentor? Look at his children. Take a look at all his children. And when you look around and you want to see Make America Great Again, look at each one of his children. How many of you work with your parents and are from a little child, and then all of a sudden you got older, you don't want to work with them anymore, you want to go off and do your own thing? None of his children have done that. They all have stayed with him, and they are successful businesswomen and men. And that's one of the things I, as an entrepreneur, that's right.
Family, keeping his family tight. You know, that's a perfect example for other people. They need to do the same thing. Try to put your family and keep your family in tight. Because if you don't have a home, you don't have a house. You don't have a house, you don't have a family. It's all about family orientated. It's a perfect example of what he's doing. You know, everybody helping each other.
It's about making America great again. And that's what we're here to do. We want to make it great again. We want to, all the rhetoric and everything that people are talking about, let us give him a chance.
Absolutely. And that's the last request that I would have to say, is that I love the way this man talked. And at least the conditions what America's in, something got to happen good. I mean, when you talk like that and you're saying that all these things are bad and you got all these different people here trying to do bad things in the country, at least if you give this man a chance, he might do something better.
Go out and vote. Vote Trump. November